forget of how to convert our translations into a CSV that's readable by SQLlite. The first step is to download from our translations file into an Excel sheet. Then we open up that Excel sheet, and I'll pause for loading. Okay, cool, so it downloads, and it might have some issues. Mine, oh, what the hell? Oh, I might have opened it like 3 times now. It said do you want to recover or try to recover whatever we can? We had some issues with the download. If it says anything like that, just say, yeah, recover as much as you can, and here it all is. Okay, cool. So once I download it in this format, I reformat it so that it looks just how I like it. So I take out the directions and all that, for example. So here's an Excel sheet that I formatted correctly. Okay, so this is the format that I like. But what I traditionally would do is I'd file save as, save it wherever, save it as a CSV, and I'll show you that. So saving here we go, as a CSV. You can't do that for the Unicode characters, okay? So instead what you have to do, I don't know why, but Microsoft Excel's, I guess, encoding just doesn't work. What I need to do is I need to drag this into my drive. So I go into my drive and I download the I upload the translations, excuse me. So I upload that as a separate document. So that is now uploaded. So here's the translations, and I will name this translations of the date. So this date is June, July 29, 2017. Let's do it like, yeah, 2017, there we go. Just put a space there. Alright, cool. So that's July 29, 2017. Then what I need to do is open it up in Google Sheets. So essentially we're just trying to get it back into Sheets. And another way to do that would be just to copy the existing Sheets file into a new Sheets file and then format it on the cloud. But I like using Excel, so that this version kind of works for me. Alright, so I'm pushing open with Sheets. I imagine it's just loading now, so I'll pause until it's ready. Okay, I'm seeing something now. Here we go. Okay, cool. So basically it should have created a new, okay, there we see it. Alright, so here's the one we got from the computer, Excel, and now here is our new version on the far right. So with this new version, now we have Google Sheets accessing the correctly formatted. I like to kill these extra columns, which is something, I don't know, I really like that about Sheets. Alright, so let's kill those. Working. Great. Now what we want to do is file, download as a CSV. So now we can download the CSV because for whatever reason, Google Sheets does it right. Cool, so now we've got that file downloaded. I'll show it in my folder. That's in my downloads, translations, and then it's the one with the date. Fantastic. So now what I do is I go into DB Browser and file, import table from CSV. Now we can open that up, open it up as a CSV. You'll see that there's a lot of issues if I would install it with the ISO. So for example, you see like what looks like, I don't know, some Chinese character here in Italian. But once you do the UTF-8, everything's working. And one of the really difficult characters that I like to just check is this E with something extending from the bottom there in the Polish. So hopefully the resolution on the screen, you can see that. But if that's working well, then everything else should be good. So I'm going to cancel it because I already imported it. And that's here as the translations table. Okay, and then from there, just write your changes and you're good to go. Thanks.